and welcome to a day in the life of a blacksmith's wife. I'm Jessica, and today I am going to take you throughout my day. Roy is gone today. He's out working on other projects, so I've got the entire shop to myself. So I'm going to get into all kinds of things. I hope you enjoy. The first thing I'm going to get going is laser engraving a apron. I just did a test run real quick before I put the leather apron up here. This is actually per request of Thomas. He wanted to have our logo and his touch mark on his apron, so I am going to get that started. And over here I'm using this Niji laser engraver just behind me there. And if you're interested in finding out more about that, I will put some links down below to 2 other videos I did if you are curious how laser engravers work and what I think of them. But let's get started on this project. All right, we just finished the leather apron. I will show you how that turned out. And it looks like this. Bring you up close. You can see it there. And then on the inside here, I also added his name. So that's how that turned out. And it's kind of based after the one that I created for myself in the other video. And obviously, you know, it's going to show up better on lighter colors. This one wasn't as dirty, but that is how that turned out. And so now with that first project out of the way, I think I am going to help my kids with some math. So we'll get to that, and then we'll get to doing some more making. All right, we finished math, and now I'm going to put another project on the laser engraver. I have a beautiful piece of black walnut here, and I'm going to basically put this logo here a bit bigger on it, and I think that'll look really nice together. This is going to be a gift, and so that is what I'm going to throw on the laser engraver. It probably, for that size, is probably going to take maybe 45 minutes, so I'll see about putting on a time lapse. Now we're going to spray paint these paint poured rocks to put their final glossy coat. My kids made these the other day, so we're just finishing them up. So thanks for joining me for my day in and around the shop. Again, this has been a day in the life of a blacksmith's wife. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these vlogs, and I will put it in the playlist for those type of vlogs since it's been a couple of years. I hope you're having a great day, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.